Hi guys, this is Monster Rassi here. We're just going to be doing an unboxing of the ParkZone Ultra Micro T28 Trojan. This isn't a new model, Duncan's had it for a while, and yeah, so we don't know where the LiPo is, but we've got everything is in the box apart from the charger, and this is the transmitter that we use with it. And yeah, so I guess we should unbox it then. So, classic box that ParkZone always uses with their Ultra Micro magnifiers. We just remove the phone, and here it is. So yeah, you can see it has been flown, so yes, as usual, you would expect it has had a few crashes, but it's a very good plane, 4-channel, we've got aileron control, 4-wing aileron control, which is quite annoying because it means you can't make flaps, but it's a lot more, it makes it a lot more powerful when it uses the ailerons. Then we've got elevator, or horizontal stabilizer here, vertical stabilizer here. And we've got a throttle. I'm not sure what motor this is, but it's a brushed motor, I think, by ParkZone. And over here we have the landing gear, and it's got very nice, very cool looking tricycle landing gear, which I'll just put on. So it just snaps in here, so it's very easy to remove. So if you want to hand launch, if you don't have a runway, it's perfect for doing that because the landing gear is very easily removable. Now the front landing gear is a bit tricky to get in, but it snaps in, makes quite a loud sound, so you know when you've got it in, but it's quite annoying because you think you've broken it every time. Turn it over, you've got the battery hatch there, where it fits most ParkZone LiPos, the smaller ones anyway. And we clip the gear in, and there, here's a click, and it's got nice tricycle landing gear. The steerable nose wheel, which is really cool. But another annoying thing is this is not one of ParkZone's newest micros, so it hasn't got a clear canopy, but you could put that on yourself. You could install this off and put on your own clear canopy. Some nice decals, and if we just show you on the back of the box, you can see it looks quite similar to its big brother that ParkZone makes. And yeah, so this is the DC quick charge here, and that's pretty much what you would have got, but the battery's not in the box today. So yeah, I would recommend this plane. It is a great plane for people moving up from other micros like the J3 Cub, which have 3 channels. It's a great 4-channel microplane, and I would really recommend this for any beginner. So thank you very much for watching.